Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make invitation cards. Short form, I think they call it IV. So over the screen, there are lots and lots of templates you can use. Whether you're a professional graphic designer or you're just a beginner graphic designer, you can pick from Canva and just customize it, making all type of invitations, which can be either this one as seen on the screen, or you can make any of these, or just scroll down till you get something very beautiful, or you can browse all templates till you get one of these. First of all, you know what an invitation card is, and getting your way around this, it's very important. Now, looking at the screen, how do you create that? There are two ways to create invitation card from the screen. First of all, you can either search from here and type what you're looking for. Let's say you're looking for a birthday invitation card. All you have to do is go in there and just type it there and say birthday invitation card, and you have that. Or if you're looking for a wedding card, you can as well go there and search. In case you don't know what are types of invitation, there are many ones here as listed at template.net. Credit goes to you anyway. From here, we have different type of invitation card. We have the wedding invitation, we have the birthday invitations, we have the baptism invitations in case you're not baptized. But one thing you do for me is, please, at the comment section, type the word RSVP and tell me what it means, because here in Nigeria, it said rice, stew, very plenty. Anyway, so we have baby shower invitation. If you move down as well, we have bridal shower invitation, we have graduation, and lots and tons of invitation. But Canva got us covered. So if you look at the templates, they have all listed. They are the first one that say create a blank invitation. In case you're starting from scratch, you can as well start from scratch. But if you want to work with the already designed template, just pick one of that, which I advised to do. So you can pick from this. Over here, this is free. How do you know it's free? Now this is a pro version and this is a free version. So you can use the one without a free subscription, or you can subscribe to the pro template and start using it, because I believe the designs has a lot of beautiful pro. In case you want to be you want to be among my team, you want to enjoy the benefit of pro, at the end of this tutorial, I'll tell you what to do so that you join my team and have access to the pro as well. So now you can start all over by creating a design, which by clicking on this, in case you're on PC or on your smartphone, just look for the plus button. It should help. Then come in here and type invitation as suggested from here. Just type invitation. It's going to take you to another tab, then opening all forms, or you can come in here and still type invitation. So when you click on invitation, there should be a lot of drop down that tell you, hey, make this invitation or make stuffs, as you can see from here. Or you can begin by creating custom size by clicking in custom size. In case you have a size you want to work with, you can come here and say 440 times 440, which I'm just assuming. Then when you're good, you can change from here to pixel and make it at You can lock this if you feel like, so that it look at that aspect ratio, it doesn't change, but I don't know. So we can create new design when we are good. But if you don't like that, just X out and we are back to this. In case you have what you want to work on, you can start from import file. You can import file from your PC and you edit it if you've designed it with Canva. Anyway, now I've explained this, let's pick one of all this one and make design. You know, when it comes to, we are going to be designing a simple wedding card. Yes. So for those who are of age that want to get married, you should prepare your own card. There's no need paying someone to do that for you, or you can as well. Well, so we can either pick this as the cover page, invitation card as a cover. If you feel like creating 2-page, then pick this as the interior, which is the inside one. So let's pick this one from here and we'll just wait for it to load in no time soon. So when it loads like this, we can let's wait for this to load fully well. Then we can customize this template, or you can scroll down as well if you're looking for better options. So we have other options like this. So we can start with this and say customize this template. Then it opens on a new tab. We start working immediately. So this is a new tab loading. No time soon we should have it. Sometimes you can experience delay. It's because of your network. So just be patient enough to get good stuff. So let's say this is the first one you feel like customizing. So save the date, can remain that way. Then this place you can put your name. Let's say I'm the one getting married. I can say Austin. Okay, ensure you use a good font, but when it comes Austin and wife. Yeah, I'm not married anyway, so I could put wife there. So Austin and wife. Then I just leave that one that I could resize from this side and drag it to this side and make it smaller if I feel like. Or you can change the font. To change the font, move around this side and pick a better font, and you can use it from here when it comes up. But at the font tab, there is always a free and the paid one. So all these are paid when they load fully well, why some there are totally free. So just look for free font and use. So from this place you can say the date here, you can clean it and just say save the date or an invitation. Anything you want to put there, you can put it. Then over here you can pick any of this one as the inside if you feel like. Then you add this because this is the one they will read. So anyone that is reading this stuff should. So let me just increase the screen like this so that we can read inside. So from here we have together with the family, this and this. So you can make it smaller and you say, as I've said before, Austin. I don't know why I like using Austin and wife. So when you put that there, you can leave it. Invite you to celebrate their wedding. Put the date there. Put some stuff. Then you put the location where the location should. So if you want to add other stuff, you can come in here at the element tab, search for location, and you are good to go. So we'll search for location. It should come out. Sorry. Then we pick one of this one and we make it smaller. We can change the color when it fully appeared. So this is totally black. So you can edit the image from here, then pick a white color, or pick from this color palette, then go up and you have white. You can make it smaller and you put on your location, then bring it down here and just leave it there. Then you change all this stuff, location, put your dress code, or you could come to Google because it's good you have ideas. So sample of a wedding invitation card. So from here we should have a good sample either from Pinterest or from Pixabay, depending on where you want. So let me go at the image section of Google and wait for a lot of samples to come up. Then I can open this from here and see ITs. So from here we have James and stuff like this. I'm going to visit the site so that all better still. Okay, let me just leave this. Let's just go with this and see how it is. So in no time soon it should load. If you're just joining on my channel, I will tell you something soon, but let me stay and just finish this very fast. So from here we have this guy, though it's a bit blur because of, you know, maybe they wanted me to pay for it. So we have James and Katin, our wedding stuff like this. So you can use ceremony for this reception time. You can customize your own like this and it looks exactly that way. So from here we have this, we have that. I know, okay, limited offer anyway. We're just looking for sample. We are not buying for now. So you can go through and get good idea, or go to Pinterest and just search for that. So when you're good to go, you can download directly to your phone or to your PC by just using the share. But before we share that, I just want to tell you something. At this place, in case you're new to my YouTube channel, I started a playlist whereby I talk about how to use Canva professionally. So from here we have I started by explaining what Canva is, and I explained everything about the interface. From here I talk about the logo. From here I talk about how to do posters on a separate video, how to make flyers. I've explained all these. We talk about business card. I didn't talk about card because card is still sample, so I went straight to invitations. So with invitations you can make different invitation cards and stuff. So next one we'll talk about mugs, we'll talk about t-shirt and hoodies, all in one video. Then we'll move on to video editors, how to add lyrics and stuff. So if you want to be part of this training process totally for free, just subscribe and turn on the notification bell and like this video if you feel like. So if you want to join my pro team, don't forget to join the Telegram channel, but first of all ensure you subscribe. So now we have that, we are done with that. We want to share, just come here and you share. But if you feel like generating image of yourself, you want to put image at the corner, go straight to upload here and you can upload any of the image and remove the background. There's a feature on this stuff. Let me upload any image from here. Better still, I can use an app called test to image. That is an AI, a new AI on Canva. You can move down here to this place and you should see suggestion like this. So we have test to this. You can click on it and say couple. So let's just search for couple. So we'll just say okay, generate your image down here and wait for this to load. In no time soon this should finish loading. then you can use the image that is generated at this 4 rows. So we have this. So in no time soon we should have. That's one beautiful thing about the Canva. Should I say Canva Pro? I don't know, but if it doesn't give you this feature, ensure you are part of the team. You should have access. So we have this. Maybe you want to use any of this. All you have to do is click on it and it should appear here sooner. So from here you can move in here, click on it and edit photo. So if you want to edit this photo, just edit the photo. Sorry, I'm taking more time, but you have to know this for your own good. So when you're good to go, so you can use this feature for the Pro anyway and remove background. It's going to load this, but you know how to do it. If you want to do that, you can still go to BG remover from here. I believe BG remove background. So just open this site and it will take you to a lot of sites which is called remove background. You can remove the background and go straight to that place and upload instantly and it becomes your own. Now the image is gone. I can make it smaller like this and I put it at this corner of this design and it becomes a very beautiful ivy. Hope you enjoyed this video. I believe you enjoyed you learned something from this video, right? So when you go, let's share this thing very fast. So now you can share by downloading it as either PNG, but the difference between a PNG PDF is that you're sharing as a document, but it's a picture best for sharing this if you're sharing as email and stuff like that. Then the other one, we have PDF print, we have standard, we have SVG, we have. So for example, now let's say you want to go for PDF print. There will be other options called CMYK. You know the difference between CMYK and RGB is because RGB is bad for screen. For example, you want to share on screen so that people can see it on Facebook posts, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere is good for RGB. But if you are printing it and you are sharing it, it's advisable use CMYK. All right, I believe you learned a lot. I'll see you in other videos on how to make this. Stay tuned.